guys, good evening, welcome to my vlog. Anyway, I just want to ask, how was your day going so far today? I hope and pray that everyone is okay, always strong and healthy, no sickness, out of danger, and I hope everyone is happy and have peace of mind. Everyone is in unity for the family. Anyway, before I'm going to sleep, I just want to say have a good night's sleep everyone, and see you tomorrow. And you know guys, I miss you, and how many days I did not do video because every time I finish my work I'm tired already and I'm sleepy. Now that I have a little time, I just want to say good night and sweet dreams everyone. See you tomorrow. Anyway, this is a blue, the thick sweater for cold because the aircon is 16 or 17. Very cold. That's why I'm wearing thick jacket. Anyway, that's all for now, and it's bedtime. I need to sleep na. I still have work tomorrow. Tomorrow is Thursday. Bye guys, good night. I miss you all and I love you all. Bye.